Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the YouTube Analytics API in your cloud project and creating OAuth 2. 0 credentials so you can authenticate as a user. Once done, install the official client library for your language to avoid low-level HTTP work. You should request the analytics. Read-only scope when prompting users, because that scope grants the data you need without access permissions. Make sure to store the client secret securely and use a local test redirect to complete the first authorization flow. Now implement the OAuth flow in your app. Send users to consent, exchange the code for tokens, and persist refresh tokens so users don't reauthorize every session. Once authenticated, construct the YouTube Analytics Service object from the client library. That object handles signing requests and retries. Then build report queries by specifying IDs, channel == mine or content owner == ID, date range, metrics like views and watch time, and optional dimensions. Make incremental requests to validate responses and adapt quotas. Finally, execute queries and handle pagination if results exceed single-page limits, because large channels return many rows. Make sure to implement exponential backoff for 429 and 5 XX errors to respect quotas and improve stability. If data looks wrong, validate that your metrics and dimensions are a supported combination and that your ID's parameter correctly targets the channel or content owner. If problems persist, check token scopes and timestamps. A common fix is renewing refresh tokens or correcting time zone and date formats in
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.